What's up, everyone? Brandon Brotsky from Reach Home Loans, and we're going to talk about Florida's hottest new down payment assistance program, Hometown Heroes. So what is it? It's up to a 5% down payment assistance toward your closing costs and your down payment. Now, who's eligible for this? There's over 96 professions who are eligible, and we're going to scroll through them real quick. They're from the medical field, law enforcement, firefighters, teachers, paramedics, veterans and active duty military. So there's a large variety of individuals who will actually qualify for this program based on their employment alone. Now, there's other caveats. There are income and loan amount limits per county. So I highlighted Broward, Palm Beach, and Miami-Dade County just to give you an idea, but the loan limits match up with FHA conventional loan limits. Now, this is a repayable program. It's not free money. You do have to repay it. If you refinance, sell, pay off the first mortgage, transfer ownership, no longer live in the property, requires full repayment of that loan. Interest rates are set by the state of Florida. They're not set by the lender, so they will not vary from lender to lender, and they are higher than traditional conventional FHA loan interest rates. There's lower DTI limitations, meaning that you qualify for less if you're already maxing out your debt ratio. So here's an example. FHA, 3.5% down, 660 credit, $7,000 a month of income. This is a buyer who's already in the market. They qualify for $400,000, putting 3.5% down at a rate of 5 1/8. There's their monthly payment. Other debts, their debt ratio is 47% over 57%. Housing versus total, they qualify for $400,000. Now with Hometown Heroes, they only qualify for $300,000, and that's due to the debt-to-income ratio limitation of 45% total. It actually reduced their purchasing power by $100,000. That's a difference on an FHA. Now let's look at a conventional scenario with 5% down, credit score of 700, monthly income 7,000. Conventional scenario. Now, we have a $420 purchase price, $399 loan amount, which is based on 5% down, rate of 5 1/4, current market rate, 49.99% DTI, which is 50%. They qualify for $420,000 based on a regular conventional loan. That same exact borrower/buyer now qualifies for $395,000 if they were to utilize Hometown Heroes, right? So they lost $25,000. So in closing, I think it's a great program for those individuals who are sitting on the sidelines, not quite in the market, ready to buy a home yet. This might get them off the bench now that they know they get money to help them with their closing. However, I don't think it's the best program for those who have been in the market, having a hard enough time finding the right property with the rising rates and the rising home prices, since this eats into their purchasing power more than those two things already have.